Hey guys, welcome to Yunus Creative Space. Did you know you could change hair colors on Coreldraw? Well, this is how to do it. Select the image, then click on this icon here to edit in Corel Photopaint. So we're on Corel Photopaint here. Choose your paintbrush. Give it a blend mode of hue. With that done, you select the color you want to be painting with. Then you add a new layer, a new object to it. Now you select the object layer, double click on it and change the blend mode to hue also. Okay, so with all those done, you just paint on the region, the hair region, and the hue blend mode helps us to apply the color we are painting just on the hair region. So right now you just paint on the hair region, increase and reduce opacity depending on the places you are painting on. So if you are going close to her face, you reduce the opacity, and if you are painting far away from her face or skin, you increase opacity. So that's how I got to achieve this, guys. I hope you love what you see. If yes, please like and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. This is the before and the after. Before and after. Nice. Something else you can do is to save this work in Corel Photopaint so you can see it in Coreldraw. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.